Good morning. It smells very fresh here today. I am happy to be in your shop.
Good morning. Welcome to my bakery. We baked all the bread early this morning.
Everything looks very delicious on the shelves. I need to buy some items for the week.
We have fresh bread and sweet rolls. What do you need first today?
I need 1 loaf of dark bread. I use it for my sandwiches for lunch.
The dark bread is very healthy. It has many good seeds inside.
I like eating healthy food. I will take 1 big loaf of dark bread.
1 big loaf of dark bread is ready for you. I will get it from the back shelf.
Thank you. The air is warm here near the big oven. It feels cozy.
The oven works hard all day. It keeps the whole shop very warm.
I see many sweet items too. I need 1 small treat this afternoon.
Our sweet rolls are very popular. They are fresh from the oven.
I will look at the sweet rolls later. I must buy the bread first.
I will put the dark bread here on the counter. What else do you want?
I also need a small loaf of white bread. My mother likes very soft bread.
A small loaf of soft white bread is here. I will add it to your order.
Thank you. Is the white bread baked this morning? Is it very soft?
Yes, it came out of the oven 30 minutes ago. It is very soft.
My mother will be happy with this soft bread. She likes the texture.
Do you need any cookies or cakes today? I have fresh chocolate chip cookies.
Not today, thank you. I must keep my shopping list short.
I understand keeping a short list. It helps you save money.
Yes, I must save money this month. This is important for my budget.
Okay, the 2 loaves of bread are ready. We can look at the sweet items.
Yes, let's look at the sweet rolls for my treat.
Here are your 2 loaves of bread. Do you want me to slice the bread?
No, thank you, Leo. I prefer to slice the dark bread myself at home.
That is fine. Do you need anything else from the bread section?
No, I only need the dark loaf and the soft white loaf. That is all the bread.
This dark bread will stay fresh for several days. Keep it in a closed bag at home.
I will use my large cloth bag for the bread. I do not use plastic bags.
That is good for the environment. Thank you for using your own bag.
I try to be environmentally friendly. It is an important choice every week.
Okay, the bread section is finished. We move to the sweet side.
I am looking at the small rolls with the red jam. They look very shiny.
Those small rolls have fresh berry jam. They're very delicious to eat.
Are they very sweet? I do not like too much sugar for a morning treat.
They have a moderate sweet flavor. They're perfect with hot coffee.
They look beautiful with the red jam. I will choose 2 red jam rolls.
2 jam rolls are a great choice. They're very fresh today.
Are they best warm or are they good cold later in the day?
They're excellent warm, but they taste very good cold tomorrow as well.
I will try 1 roll immediately. I will save the second one for breakfast.
I will put the 2 jam rolls in a small paper bag. It will keep them clean.
Thank you. Please make sure the jam does not touch my fresh dark bread.
I will keep the sweet rolls separate. They need their own clean paper bag.
That is helpful. I need the bread for my savory sandwiches.
Is there anything else I can add to your order?
I think that is everything for my own personal needs.
Wonderful. Let's talk about the ingredients.
Leo, I have one more important question. What ingredients are inside the red jam rolls?
The dough is simple and classic. It has flour, eggs, milk, and a little sugar.
Do the jam rolls contain any nuts? I cannot eat nuts at all.
No, there are absolutely no nuts in these rolls. They are completely safe for you.
That is important information for me. Thank you for telling me about the nuts.
I always know all the ingredients. Customer safety is very important in my shop.
I am happy to buy food here. It feels very safe to eat your bakery items.
We also use fresh butter in all our dough. It makes the rolls very rich.
Fresh butter sounds delicious. That explains the wonderful smell here.
Do you have questions about the dark bread? It has a very different recipe.
Yes, what kind of seeds are inside the dark bread? They look large.
The seeds are sunflower and pumpkin seeds. They are good for your health.
Sunflower and pumpkin seeds are very good. I will eat the bread with cheese.
That will make a very healthy lunch sandwich. It will be very tasty.
I need to make sure the white bread is soft. Is it made with yeast?
Yes, the white bread has yeast. This makes it very soft and fluffy.
My mother will be happy with the soft bread. Thank you for checking the recipe.
Everything we sell is baked fresh every day. We never sell old items.
That is why your shop is the best. The freshness is easy to taste.
Thank you for the compliment. I work hard to keep the shop perfect.
I need to buy one more item. This one is a gift for my dear friend.
A gift is very kind. What flavor does your friend like the most?
My friend loves cinnamon. She likes all the warm, strong spices.
I have the perfect gift. I will show you the big cinnamon swirl.
Yes, please show me the swirl. I hope she loves this gift.
Then you must take one of our large cinnamon swirls. They are big and full of spice.
Wow, that cinnamon swirl looks amazing. It smells very strong. I will take one big swirl.
I will take the best-looking swirl from the tray. This is for your friend's gift.
That one looks beautiful. It has lots of frosting on top.
The frosting is made with lemon and sugar. It tastes sweet and tangy.
Please put the cinnamon swirl in a separate box. It is a special present.
I have a small decorative paper box. I will use that for your friend's treat.
A decorative box is perfect for a gift. Thank you for this nice idea.
You are welcome. I hope your friend enjoys the strong cinnamon flavor very much.
I know she will love it. She always asks me about your famous swirls.
That makes me happy to hear. I put extra effort into baking those swirls.
I am happy with all my items. I have the bread and the sweet treats.
Everything looks ready on the counter. Do you need a drink with your treats?
I need one hot coffee to go. I want a hot drink for my walk home.
I can make a hot coffee quickly. Do you prefer it light or black?
I want hot coffee with milk and 1 spoon of sugar. I like it creamy.
Coffee with milk and 1 spoon of sugar coming up. I will use a paper cup.
A paper cup is good for walking outside. I can hold it easily.
Your coffee will be very hot. Please hold the cup very carefully.
I will be careful not to spill the hot coffee. I do not want to burn myself.
Do you want a large coffee size or a smaller medium size for your walk?
A medium-sized coffee is perfect today. I do not need a huge drink.
Okay, the medium coffee is almost ready. It smells wonderful.
That delicious coffee smell is the best in the whole world.
I'm glad you think so. The coffee is perfect with your sweet roll.
Your medium coffee with milk and sugar is complete. I will put a small lid on the top.
Thank you for the lid. That helps keep the hot coffee safe while I walk.
You are welcome. I want you to enjoy the drink without any spills.
I am ready for the total price. I have all my food items and my hot drink.
I will calculate the full price for all your wonderful items. It will take 1 moment.
I have the dark bread, the white bread, 2 jam rolls, and the coffee.
You also have the 1 large cinnamon swirl gift. I must not forget that item.
That is right. The cinnamon swirl is in the nice gift box. Thank you for remembering.
The register will calculate the final price quickly. It is a smart machine.
I hope the final price is not too high. I bought many items today.
My prices are fair for high-quality goods. You will see the total is low.
I trust your prices completely. Your food is always worth the money.
The dark bread is $4 and the white bread is $3.
4 plus 3 is $7. That's for the 2 loaves of bread.
The 2 jam rolls are $6 total. That is for the sweet treat.
That sounds reasonable for the 2 large jam rolls.
The cinnamon swirl gift is $3. The medium coffee is $2.
3 plus 2 is $5. That's for the special gift and my hot drink.
Yes, all the numbers are correct. I will tell you the grand total soon.
I am counting the total in my head too. I need to know the final payment number.
I will tell you the grand total after the machine finishes the calculation.
I will get my money ready while I wait for the final number.
Do you prefer to pay with a big bill or with smaller, exact change?
I have a $20 bill I can use for the payment.
That will be perfect for making the final transaction easy.
The total price for all your fresh items is $15 exactly. That is the final number.
I have $15 ready.
I am happy you found everything you needed. You bought items for yourself and your friends.
I have all the necessary items on my list. I feel very organized today.
You are an efficient shopper. You know exactly what you want from the start.
Your shop is clean and easy to use. I see everything clearly here.
Thank you for the compliment. I arranged the items clearly on the shelves.
I will give you the $20 bill for the payment. Here is the money.
Thank you for the $20 payment. I will give you $5 back in change.
$5 change is the correct amount. Thank you for counting it quickly.
Here are your 5 $1 bills. Please count the money to be sure it is correct.
Yes, the $5 change is correct. The money transaction is finished.
I will put your 2 loaves of bread in the big cloth bag. They will stay fresh.
Thank you. Please put the red jam rolls in the same bag.
The 2 small jam rolls will go in a small paper bag first. Then I will put them in your big bag.
That is very helpful. I do not want the jam to touch the clean, dark bread.
I will keep the sweet rolls separate. They need their own clean paper.
Your attention to detail is high. That is why I love shopping here.
I try my best to serve every customer perfectly every day.
I look forward to slicing the warm, dark bread for my lunch tomorrow.
I hope your sandwiches taste wonderful. Enjoy the fresh bread you bought.
I will try the small jam roll immediately when I leave. I cannot wait to taste it.
That is the best way to eat the jam roll. Enjoy the warm, sweet flavor.
I need to make sure I do not eat the second jam roll before morning.
You must be strong. Save 1 roll for your breakfast the next day.
I already gave you the $20 bill. Thank you for the change.
You are very welcome. We are very fast and honest with all the money here.
I trust your shop completely. I never worry about the money here.
Trust from my regular customers is the most important thing. It helps my business.
You have many loyal customers. Your food is always fresh and good.
Thank you for saying that. Your regular visits keep my oven working hard.
I will continue to buy my bread here. I come every week for my family.
We have a new type of cheese bread next week. It is a very delicious item.
New cheese bread sounds wonderful. I love cheese and bread together.
The new cheese bread is made with 3 different kinds of sharp cheese.
I will buy a large loaf of that new cheese bread next week. My family can try it.
I will save 1 loaf of the new cheese bread especially for you.
That is very kind of you, Leo. Thank you for thinking of me early.
It is my pleasure. I know you like all the different savory bread flavors.
I need to make sure the cinnamon gift box is sealed. Is it closed correctly?
The decorative gift box is sealed with a small gold sticker. It looks very nice.
That small gold sticker makes the gift look official. It looks very special.
I want your friend to feel special. She should be happy when she opens the box.
I think she will love the gift box. She will also love the tasty cinnamon swirl inside.
I hope so. Good presentation is important for a nice present.
I am happy I remembered to buy something sweet for my friend.
Buying a gift is a thoughtful and generous gesture from you.
I will tell my friend about your shop. I will mention the nice gift box.
Please tell her to visit us. We welcome all new customers here.
I will give her directions to your shop. She lives very close by.
Your fresh dark bread and white bread are in the big cloth bag. The gift box is ready.
Thank you for helping me with the bags and the hot coffee cup. I need both hands.
Please be careful with the hot coffee. It will stay very warm for a long time.
I will walk slowly and carefully. I do not want to fall with my bags.
I hope you and your friend enjoy all the fresh bread and the sweet cinnamon swirl.
I know my friend will love the gift. I'm excited to give it to her later.
I will have new cookies next week. You can try those too.
New cookies sound like a reason to come back soon. I love new flavors.
I hope you enjoy the fresh taste of everything you bought today.
I will start eating the jam roll as soon as I leave the door.
That is the best idea. Eat the jam roll while it is still slightly warm.
I will see you here again next week. I will buy the new cheese bread.
I will save the best loaf of cheese bread especially for you. I promise to save it.
Thank you, Leo. You are the best baker in the entire city.
Thank you for your kind words. Have a great day and a safe walk home.
You too, Leo. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, Lana. Come again soon.
I will tell my mother how good the soft white bread tastes.
Please tell your mother I hope she likes the soft texture.
She will be very happy. Thank you for everything.
My pleasure. Thank you for your continued custom.